Hi everyone, today I am going to be showing you these C-spring stackable shoe boxes, and this is the size large. But before I show you more, I want to put one together because when I first opened these, I was struggling putting it together and I was getting really upset with myself because I couldn't figure it out. So it could be a little difficult, but once you get a hang of it, then it's easier. So it comes with 12 of these that are folded up, and I already folded up 10 of them, so I have 2 that I wanted to show you. And then it's going to come with 12 of these doors that open, and then 12 of these that are the backs of the boxes. And then it comes with just assembly instructions, which it's straightforward. So you can see there's creases in this folded plastic. So you just want to make it into a box. Okay, so now it's in the shape of the box. And then there's these flaps on both sides, and these you want to fold inwards. I don't know if you could see that, and this is where I messed up when I was trying to put them together. I was not pushing these down further enough. So that's one tip I could give you, is press these folds in as far down as you could possibly put them, and it will make it a lot easier. Once I figured that out, it wasn't too bad. Okay. So now I'm going to take the back, and it doesn't matter which side you put it on. And then there's indentions in here where you snap these in place. And you'll hear clicking noises once they're snapped into place. Okay, so that side is done. And then you do the same thing. And remember, fold these really good. Okay. And then I want to make sure that I could stack them. So, because these fold into the other one, so I just want to make sure if I put this one at the bottom, I have the door facing the right way. Yeah, so mine's going to go this way. Okay, so now I do the same thing with the door. And some of them are really easy, some are harder, but just have patience and you'll get it. See, you heard that snap. Snap, snap, snap. Okay, so now it's together.